Hello, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to install JDK 8 on Ubuntu 18. A JDK or Java Development Kit is something you'll need to write Java apps. We'll be installing the OpenJDK by Azul Systems called Zulu. So the first thing we need to do is check that there isn't already a JDK installed. So open up a terminal window. Type javac-version. As you can see here, it's responded that the javac command has not been found. Now we're going to open up the Zulu install instructions. I find this a really good guide. Find the install page in the contents. We're looking specifically for apt, as this is Ubuntu's package manager. Here it says we need to complete some tasks in preparation, so let's go there. Don't forget Ubuntu is using apt, so let's follow that section. Here there's two sections, one for yum and one for apt. We need to follow the apt section. It's just a simple case of copying these commands to add Azul's key and apt repo. Note that I'm not copy pasting here because the formatting comes across strange from the PDF. As we've used the sudo command, we need to provide the password. From the output we can see that the key import has worked. Now to add the repo with the next command. It's done. Now to do an apt update. Note that I've just used apt instead of apt-get. Just apt will work in the newer versions of Ubuntu. Now back to the install using apt section, and again it's just a case of copying the correct apt command. It's done. You can see here the install path it's used. We'll need that for later, so we'll copy that first part of the path. We'll go there and take a look with the cd and ls commands. Yep, this looks like the place. So that's the install completed. We just need to follow the post-installation tasks section now. We've already figured out where the files are installed, so we'll need to verify the installation now. We do this with a java-version command. We can see here that the Zulu version of the OpenJDK environment has been set. Now we need to set the Java_home environment variable. We can check if it's there using the echo command. And it's printed nothing, so it's not set. Now we're going to go a little off course from the guide here, as we want to have the Java_home environment variable still set when we restart. So to do that, we need to copy that file path and edit the .bashrc file in the user's home directory. The tilde symbol means the current user's home directory. I'm going to put the command at the end of this file. Export java_home equals, and then paste the path to the installation directory. Save and exit. Now we can reload the .bashrc file with the source command. source/.bashrc, and run the echo command again to check if it's set now. Echo $java_home. Great. Now check that the javac command works again with javac-version and the java command. So yeah, we're all ready to go. Next, see my guide on how to install the NetBeans IDE to get yourself started developing EE applications on Payara server.